Dear students, I'm your math teacher from Paramount Public School, Chima. Beta, today we will start our next lesson, lesson 6, exponents. First of all, you have to understand what is exponent. Exponents are, beta, for example, if I multiplied a number by itself so many times, like I have a number 5, I multiply 5 with itself, means 5 multiply 5. For example, if I multiply it 3 times, then I can write it. How many times I am multiplying 5? 1, 2, 3. So I can write it 5 raised to power 3. Okay, beta, I can write it in the form of this 5 its power 3. Here, beta, 5 is called base. 5 is called base. And 3 is called, beta, exponent. Exponent means the power. The power is known as exponent here. Understood? Got it? We read it as 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3. Similarly, beta, if any other number like -2 multiply -2 multiply -2 multiply -2, then how can I write it in the exponent form? -2, how many times I am multiplying it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So its exponent form is -2 raised to power 4. Understood, beta? If we write these numbers in the form of this, in the form of power, then this form is known as exponential form. This is called exponential form. Clear, beta? Understood? In that way, we can write the number in the form of exponent or in the form of power, or you can say in the form of exponential. Clear, beta? And some points to be noted. In the same way, if we multiply a number n time, like we have a number a, I multiply a with a multiply a, how many times? N times. Then what will be its exponential, beta? A raised to power n. A raised to the power n. Understood? Because we are multiplying a, how many times? N times. Clear? Understood, beta? And second point, beta, you know it very well. If in the exponential form, like here, -2, is there any minus sign? -1 raised to power n, it will be equal to -1. If n is odd, means if n is 1, your power is 1, 3, 5, 7, means your power is a odd number. Then power of minus, if odd, then it will be -1. And if n is even, then it will be equal to +1. If n is even. Clear, beta? Understood? Like here, we have how many time? 2, 4 time. Means minus power is 4. Means it is even. So it will be, if I will try to solve it next, minus 2 raised to power 4, then it will become plus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. 2 raised to power 4 is 16 and minus raised to power 4 it will become plus. In these type of question we will use that. Now we will start your exercise. First exercise 6.1. Yes beta, exercise 6.1 question first. Very easy exercise. Find the value of each of the following. You have to find their value. First question is 13 raised to power 2. Now beta, 13 raised to power 2 means 13 is multiplying with 13. How many times? 2 times. Means it raised to power 2. It means 13 multiply 13. You know 13 multiply 13 is equal to 169. Similarly, beta, its second part is 7 raised to power 3. Means 7 multiply how many times? 3 times. 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Understood beta? 7 into 7, 49. And 49 multiplied by 7 is 343. Understood beta? Very easy. In that way you can solve its third part. Third part is beta 3 raised to power 4. Try it by yourself. Similarly beta, second question is, yes beta, similarly your second question you have to find the values. First part is minus 7 raised to power 2. Very easy. Second is minus 3 raised to power 4. And third is minus 5 raised to power 5. I am explaining here third question. Minus 5 raised to power 5. It means minus 5 multiplying 5 times. Means minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5. Understood beta? Clear? Yes beta, now multiplying these and get the answer. Now beta, look here. Minus is how many times minus here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means it's a minus 1 raised to power is a odd number. 5 is an odd number, so your answer will be in minus. Okay. Now multiplying the number 5 multiply 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, 625. And 625 multiplied by 5, it is 3125. Your answer is minus 3125. Similarly, you can solve first and second part. Yes, beta, question third. Simplify first part, second and third. In first and second question, you have given one number. Now here you have given multiplication of a two number in the form of exponent. I am explaining here beta question third part of third question. It is 2 raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 3. Now 2 raised to power 2. Now beta expand it, means open it. 2 raised to power 2 means 2 multiply 2. And 5 raised to power 3 means 5 multiply how many times? 3 times. Means 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Clear beta? Now multiply these number. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. Okay. And 20 into 5 beta, 100. 100 into 5, 500. So this is your answer. One by one you can multiply and get your answer. Very easy. Okay beta. Similarly beta, you can try first and third part. Clear? Sorry beta, this is a second part, not third part. This is second part of third question. Okay beta. Similarly beta, question fourth is also same as like the question third. Simplify. First part is beta 3 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 4. Very easy. 3 raised to power 2 means 3 multiply 2 times, 3 multiply 3. Here beta 10 raised to power 4 means 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 means 10 multiply 4 times. Now beta 3 multiply these number 3 into 3 9. 10 multiply 4 time beta it will be 10,000 and 9 multiply 10,000 it is 90,000. This is your answer. Similarly beta you can try second and third part. Second part is beta 2 raised to power 4 multiply 3 raised to power 2 and third part is beta 5 raised to power 2 multiply 3 raised to power 4. Understood? I hope you can easily solve these questions. Yes, beta question fifth is also similar as like the fourth question. Simplify first part minus 2 multiply minus 3 raised to power 3. Very easy question. You can try by yourself. Second part is beta minus 3 raised to power 2 multiply minus 5 raised to power 3. I will explain second part. Minus 3 raised to power 2. It means minus 3 multiply minus 3. Okay. And minus 5 raised to power 3 it means minus 5 multiply 3 times. Minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5. Clear beta? Now multiply these numbers. 3 into 3. Look here. First of all look at the sign of minus. How many times minus is here beta? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times minus is here. That means 5 is odd number. If minus 1 raised to power is an odd number, then your final answer will be a minus. Okay beta? Now multiply the number 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 5, 45. And 45 multiplied by 5 beta. It is 225. And 225 multiplied by 5. It will be 1125. Okay. This is your answer. Very simple. And its third part is beta minus 2 raised to power 5 multiply minus 10 raised to power 2. Very easy. You can try it by yourself. Okay beta. Sixth question is similar like the previous one. Simplify first part is 3 upon 4 raised to power 2. Second part beta minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 4. And third part is minus 4 upon 5 raised to power 5. Clear beta? Very easy all the parts. I am explaining second part. Look here beta. Minus 2 upon 3. How many time it is? 4 time. That means minus 2 upon 3 multiply 4 time. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply. Yes beta. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply 4 time. Minus 2 upon 3 multiply minus 2 upon 3 multiply minus 2 upon 3 multiply minus 2 upon 3. Clear beta? Understood? Now simply beta, numerator multiply with numerator and denominator with denominator. First of all look at the sign. How many time minus is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 means power is a, look here, minus power is a even. So your final answer will be a positive number. Now beta multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Okay beta. Now 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3 beta, 81. So your answer is 16 upon 81. Clear beta? And its third part of sixth question is minus 4 upon 5 raised to power 5. Same like the Second part you can try first and third part. Understood beta? Clear? Yes beta, question 7th. Identify the greater number in each of the following. You have to identify the greater number. So first part, which is greater between 2 raised to power 5 and 5 raised to power 2. So separately solve these two number. Now beta 2 raised to power 5 means 2 multiply 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 multiply 2 means 2 multiply 5 times. Solve it. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 and 16 into 2 beta 32. And your second number is beta 5 raised to power 2. 5 raised to power 2 means 5 multiply 2 times means 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. Now look at between 25 and 32, which is greater? 32 is greater than 25. Okay beta. And 32 is equal to beta 2 raised to power 5 means 2 raised to power 5, and 25 is equal to beta 5 raised to power 2 means 2 raised to power 5 is greater than 5 raised to power 2. Very easy question. Similarly beta, try second and third part. Second part is you have to identify which is greater between 3 raised to power 4 or 4 raised to power 3. And third part is beta 3 raised to power 5 or 5 raised to power 3. Okay beta. I'm sure you can easily solve second and third part. Yes beta, question 8th. Express each of the following in exponential form. Very easy, you have to write in exponential form. Exponential form beta means in the form of power. Okay, now look here, minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 5. How many times 5 is multiplying here? 1, 2, 3. So in the form of power we can write it as minus 5 raised to power 3. Understood beta? Similarly here beta, minus 5 upon 7, how many times it is multiplying? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the form of power we can write it minus 5 upon 7 raised to power 4. Similarly here beta, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 upon 3 is multiplying 5 times. So it is equal to 4 upon 3 raised to power 5. Very easy. Okay beta. Similarly beta, question 9th is also same as like question 8th. Yes beta, question 9th is also same. But in question 9th you have to given different number in the form of multiplication. In question 8th you have given only one number in the form of a multiplication by itself. Now beta, like question 9th first part, look here. Here we have three number, x, a and b. Now x multiply x multiply x means x is multiplying, how many times x is multiplying beta? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So in the form of power it become x raised to power 3. Clear beta? And next number is beta a. How many times a is multiplying? 1, 2. Means a is multiplying 2 times. So it become in the form of power a raised to power 2. Clear beta? Understood? And last number is b is beta b. How many times b is multiplying? 1, 2, 3. b is multiplying 3 times. So in the form of power we can write it b raised to power 3. Understood beta? This is your answer. Clear? Beta, you have to return similar number in the form of power, means x multiply x multiply x. You have to consider multiplication of x with x only, not with a or not with b. Okay, so here x is 3 times, it become x raised to power 3, a is 2 times, so it become a raised to power 2, and b is multiplying 3 times and it is become b raised to power 3. Similarly beta second and third part. I'm sure you will solve these parts very easily. Yes beta, question 10th, very important question. Express each of the following in exponential form. Means you have given some number, you have to write them in exponential form. First part is beta 512. Beta, when you have to write these number in exponential form, then first of all find their prime factorization. You know very well how to find the prime factorization. Now beta 512, it is even number. Even number you know always divided on 2. So when it is divided by 2, we will get, find the prime factorization here. 2 2s are 4. Okay beta. And 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. It is again even number divided on 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Again on 2 beta. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. Again on 2. 32. Again 2. 16. 2. 8. 2. 4. On 2. 2. On 2. 1. You have to proceed up to the last step whenever you will get 1 here. Okay beta. Now beta 512 is written as 512 is written as beta in the form of these prime numbers. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. And 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Clear beta? Understood? Now look at how many times 2 is there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So in the form of exponential we can write it 2 raised to power 9. Understood beta? Clear? I hope you understood this question very clearly. And similarly beta, its 2 parts are pending. You have to try these 2 parts by yourself. Yes beta, question 10th, first part I have explained. Second part is you have to write 625 in the form of exponential, and third part is beta 729. Okay beta, I hope the problems for the practice whatever I have given to you, you will solve them easily. This is all about today beta. Thank you beta.